Okay guys, we actually got this idea from one of our hosts, one of the Display.Stream hosts. She had a window display and she thought of an interesting way to sell her products from her window display. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how that can be done. So let's create a new story. Let's call it window display for now. Okay, and the first thing you want to do is grab a template and grab the canvas template. I'll show you why we're using that later. And we're going to go over to the store that has all the products. So we'll just pick one. We have TNS full set. We'll make a display for that. So what we're going to do is copy that URL first. And then you're going to want this image. Save image. Okay, we'll leave that open because we're going to grab the text later. So go back to your canvas and go to upload files, browse files, and let's grab that one. Okay, and upload. Okay, that file is now being added to our library. Close that, and that is now available to us. So right up here in Canvas, you click on this image that is image videos or stories. Click on it, unchecks videos so that you just have your images, and grab that images that we just uploaded. There, now that image is in our story. And crop it so that it's correct. Great. And then I'm just going to add a color block to this section here. We'll just make that color block white, because we're going to put text on it. And there you have it. Alright, now that we get that picture in there, we're going to go over to the website and let's grab the title. I don't want to bring in any of the styles from the website into what I'm working with, so I'm going to actually clear that by typing it into a Google box and then recopying it. I'll go back to Display.Stream. This icon here gets you a new text box. We will put that text in here. There's the title. Over here you can justify it left, right, or centered. I'm going to go justified left for this one. Okay, that could be a little bigger. We'll choose a different font. So let's bump this up to 55. I always like to have the line height a little higher than the size of the font so that the bottom of the font doesn't get cut off. And let's choose a font family. Let's go with Oswald. Okay, so we have the title there. And actually let's give it a color as well. So if you go over to style, you can select your colors. So I'm going to try to get something that matches a little bit more of the background. Have the theme that's going on over there on the left, so it's kind of like a tan. And maybe a little more red, a little less red. A little more orange. Somewhere right around there. Copy that hex code. Apply it to the other side of the gradient. And there you go. Okay. Now to keep those styles, fonts, and colors, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and then paste it. And this will be the price, which was $40. I'm going to make that a little smaller. I can just close the box instead of going into the settings. Okay. Great. And I'm going to go back to the website. I'm going to grab the description. Copy and clear the styles. Select all, copy again, go back to Display.Stream and copy and duplicate this text. Again, that's to keep the colors and the styles that you already did, but we'll have to change it because it's a lot bigger block of text. So I'll paste that in there, then I'll go to the size. I'll bring this way down to maybe like a 20% with a line height of maybe 30 and see how that looks. Not bad. Okay. So we'll have to go a little smaller. Let's try 13 and 15. Perfect. Okay, so now the whole point of this media is to have it broadcast on your display like after hours when you're closed. So you want people to be able to purchase your product from the display. Now, an interesting way to do that, and again, I got this idea from one of our customers and how she was using it, and that was to add a QR code. So if we go back to the website, the place where you can order it, this is where we were, as we copy that URL, go back to Display.Stream, and then up at the top here we have this icon, which is a QR code generator. So you just paste that QR code, that link from that page in there, and then you add a QR code to your slide. Okay, and you don't really need any other call to actions. Just by having the QR code in that slide, the users understand that they can scan that, and what's going to happen when they scan that is it's going to open them up on their phone or whatever they scanned with to this page where they can add it to their cart and make a purchase. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this demo and found it helpful. And again, this is for using on window displays. You run them 24 hours so that even when you're closed, people can see all your products and purchase them through QR code. Thank you.